Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. Today we will talk about entry in tkinter in Python programming. Tkinter is about a module in Python programming, and for using it, we will call it at the beginning of the code. In that line, I write from tkinter import asterisk. What is the meaning of that line of code? From the module that name tkinter, import or bring all things in that module. Asterisk means all. After that, I write m equal tk. T capital and k is small. What is the meaning of that line of code? It will prepare a gray page like that. It make this gray page. And here I write e equal string var. What is the meaning of that? String var, it will make everything that I will write in the entry, it will make it as a string or a text. If I write 1, 2, 3, a number, it will make or convert it from integer or a number to a string or text. After that, I write e.set, and between two parentheses and between two double quotes, write. As we see on the screen here, let's remove that. It appears right on the screen on our entry here, and we can write anything that we want. So this line of code, it make the right word appears on our entry. After that, I will make our entry. At the beginning, I write en, that variable, any name that I want, equal entry. E is capital and the rest of letters are small. In between two parentheses, I write m. What is that m? M, this m. What is the meaning of that? That means I will put my entry on my main screen or on my main page that colored gray. As we see, I put my entry on that gray screen. M called, or any variable that I want, called my parent. So we write here the parent or the place that we will put our entry or our anything like label or button or anything. After that, I write comma and width equal 10. What is the meaning of that? 10 is, we can say, the number of letters, we can say the width of our entry. So if I write, change that raqam, is this number for 20, it will make the entry much bigger. And that's it for this width. After that, I write justify equal center, and all the letters of center are capital. What is the meaning of that? It will make our right or any right that I write on this entry at the center of the page or at the center of my entry. If I remove that, the right will appear at the beginning or in left. So I write center to make it in the center. After that, I write font equal and between two parentheses Arial, 20. What is the meaning of that? Arial is the type of my font, and 20 is the size of the font. And if I change it for 9, 10, it will make it small. If I write 100, it will make it much bigger. Let's make it 20. After that, I write. It's not usual to use background and foreground in entry, but I will make it here to know the idea of that. Background, BG. We can write background like that, or we can summarize it in BG. Equal and between single quotes our color. Here I write black and it makes the background black. And if I didn't write this FG, the writing will disappear, as the default of the right is black and I make the background is black. So we can write here to solve this problem foreground. We can write it like that and we can summarize it as FG. And here I will write the color, white or any color. I miss the comma. It make the foreground white and the background black. And after that I write text variable. What is the meaning of that? Text variable equal E. That line that we convert any enter from the user or any writing from any type to string here, and we store it in this variable E, and after that we call it here text variable equal E. So the text will be or the text will be bring from the user will be changed from any type to string. And after that I close the parentheses and I write dot place. What is the meaning of that? Dot place and between two parentheses x equal 150, y equal 400, or any number. What is the meaning of that? It will make, let's draw it. It will make x this x, y this y, this y, this x, x, y. So here I write x equal 150. So it will, for example, or let's say it will move forward 150 and will stop here, and will move 400 and will stop here. This x equal 150 and y equal 400. So it will move this space or this area and it will move here, and then we'll stop there and put our entry or our label or our button or anything that we want and put it here. As we see here, it move from X axis 150 and from Y axis 400, and those number we can change them, so we can write 50 and 40. It will make at the beginning of the page, and if I write them like that, it will move 50 from x-axis, 400 from y-axis, and so on. We can change numbers as we want. After that, if I want to show my right like password that appears like stars or asterisks, what should I do? I will write here show equal in between two parentheses, two single quotes, asterisk or star. It will make it appears stars, like stars. If I write anything, it will appears like stars, like password in any website. If we will make this entry for password, we should make this feature show equal asterisk. And here I write m.main loop. What is the meaning of that? It will make the page works until I close it. If I deleted this line, if I delete it, the page will not stop. It will close from itself. So this line, it helps us to make the page stop and didn't close from itself. And when will it close? It will close when I close it on my own, like this. I press the backward button, it will close. And if we on our laptop, if we press X or close button, it will close. Without this line, it will not work well. And that's it for entry in tkinter in Python programming. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah.